பத்திரிகை ஊடக நண்பர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். ஜெய் பாலையா. வணக்கம் சார். வணக்கம் சார். And the amazing, I called him Hyderabad function la sonna, the tsunami of a director Boyapati Srinu garu. Vanakkam sir. Sir, vanakkam. My dear friend Viji, vanakkam. இப்போதான் சமீபத்தில் ஹைதராபாத்தில் படம் அளவுக்கு ஒரு மேசிவ் ப்ரீ ரிலீஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் பார்த்துட்டு நான் இங்கே வந்திருக்கேன். ஆனால் ஃபுல்லாக இன்னைக்கு பார்த்த உடனே எனக்கு இன்னும் பேச்சு வரல. எனக்கு இன்னும் கூஸ் பம்ஸ் மூமெண்ட்டில் இருக்குது. இந்த படத்தில் நான் நடிச்சிருந்தாலும் சிவ அம்சம் நமக்குள்ளே பூந்தா மாதிரி இருக்கு. நான் ஒரு 80s 90s என்னுடைய பீக் பீரியடில் ரொம்ப வருத்தம் எனக்கு. எப்படின்னா ஐயகாரு த கிரேட் என்டிஆர் காருவோட ஒரு சீனாவது நடிக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டேன். அது முடியாமல் போச்சு. அப்போ கடவுள் என்னை வெயிட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கார். வெங்கடேச பெருமாளோட நீ நடிக்க வேண்டாம், சிவனோட நடின்னு சொல்லி சிவனோட நடிக்கிறதுக்கு எனக்கு ஒரு வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்துருக்காரு. என்ன டெடிகேஷன் இந்த மனுஷா. ஐ டெல் யூ, நான் 4-5 நாள் தான் இதில் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இது ஒரு சஸ்பென்ஸ் ரோல். சாரி, ரோல் சொல்லாமா என்னன்னு சொல்லாமா? பரவாயில்ல, చెప్తానా ఏమీ రోల్ అంటే ఐ హావ్ డన్ అ రోల్ ఆఫ్ అ టిబెటన్ మాంక్. நீங்கள் ஃபைனல் கிளைமேக்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்களே, அதுக்கு லீடே நான் தான் கொடுக்குறேன் அவருக்கு. ஸோ அப்படி ஒரு அருமையான ரோல். 5 years பேக் நான் இந்த அகண்டா 1 பார்த்துட்டு எனக்கு யாருன்னே தெரியாது. ஐ ரேங் அப் டைரக்டர் గారు, ஐ ரேங் அப் அவர் ஹீரோ గారు and said I am அப்படியே fascinated by this picture. God has been so kind to me. 4 years later, He has given me the chance to act in such a mammoth picture. Please give a big hand. It is not easy to take a picture like that, and that too, a picture that defines the culture of India, the dharma of India, the religion of India, the ஒழுக்கம், நாணயம், நேர்மை எல்லாம் நான் ரொம்ப நாளாக இங்கே ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பேன். தமிழ்நாட்டில் ஏபி நாகராஜனுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த மாதிரி நல்ல படங்கள் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு ஆள் இல்லையேன்னு ஃபீல் பண்ணேன். அகண்டா 2 மாதிரி ஏபி நாகராஜன் 2 வந்துட்டார். போயப்பாட்டி சீனு கார் அற்புதமாக எடுத்திருக்காரு. அந்த படம் ஒவ்வொரு ஃப்ரேமும் செதுக்கி வச்சிருக்காங்க. இட் இஸ் லைக் அ பெயிண்டிங் அண்ட் தி ஆக்ஷன். ஸோ இது நீங்கள் யூ திங்க் இட் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் அ ரிலிஜியஸ் மூவி, பக்தி மூவி கிடையாது. தேர் இஸ் ஆக்ஷன், தேர் இஸ் எமோஷன், தேர் இஸ் காமெடி. And the music by Taman sir is something outstanding. I know, I have heard all the songs. And my experience for those 4 days acting with Boyapati garu was fantastic. In the 80s, 90s, I have worked with great directors like K. Balachandar, S.P. Muthuraman, Trilok Chandar, Madhavan, and all these people. All of them, when they went to the set, they never looked at the dialogues. The picture was running in their mind. A similar director I saw in Boyapati garu. He never once referred to the. Please give him a big hand. He deserves it. படம் பார்த்த அப்புறம் நீங்க கதற போறீங்க, எனக்கு தெரியாது. He had the whole picture in his mind. It was going scene by scene, shot by shot, and he made it so easy for an actor like me. I am doing a Telugu picture after so many 35 years. My Telugu is like Tamil, my Tamil is like Telugu. அந்த மாதிரி தான் பேசுறேன் நான். Very confusing. But he was there to guide me. And the driving force, మన బాలయ్య గారు ఉన్నారే, ఐమ్ సార్ ఇంక பாருங்க తెలుగు பேசுறேன் here instead of in Hyderabad. He is not just an actor in Andhra and Telangana. He is a force. He is a force. And the dedication with which he has done this role, not many actors can do. His physical fitness. When you're going to see the climax of this picture, it was shot in Georgia, near Russia, in -7, -8, -10 degrees. He could have easily done something and done CG work and all that like so many do, or AI or something. No. I am coming as the Amsha of Shiva. So I will come in that attire, in that -10 degrees, just and the iduppu vastram mattum bare body nadichirkarna. So it is not he who has acted, it is Shiva who has acted inside him. You must see the climax to believe it. அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி எனக்கு ட்ரெஸ் அதில் ரொம்ப தின் ட்ரெஸ் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க கண்டினியூட்டி ஹைதராபாத்தில். ஸோ அந்த குளிரில் தாங்காதுன்னு என்னை ஐஷன் போக மாட்டேன்ட்டார் ஜார்ஜியாவுக்கு. நீங்கள் வந்தீங்கன்னா தாங்க மாட்டீங்க குளிரை, நான் அவனை ப்ளூ மேட்டில் வச்சு எடுத்துடுறேன்னு. ஸோ ஐ டிட் நாட் கெட் அ காம்பினேஷன் வித் திஸ் கிரேட் மேன். பட் திஸ் பிக்சர் இஸ் அ கிரேட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஃபார் மீ. ஐ டோல்ட் திஸ் Hakanda 1 dialogue in Hyderabad. I am repeating it here also for you. I have done so many pictures, almost 350 pictures. I have done Akanda. Both are not the same. That is his famous dialogue. This was a different experience altogether, and I am happy I am part of this wonderful team. இது you cannot define it as a Tamil picture or a Telugu picture or a Hindi or Malayalam picture. இது Indian picture. This is a picture for the whole of India.
ಒಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಣಕಂ. ఎస్పెషల్లీ నేను ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ సారీ చెప్తున్నాను బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ఫ్లూయెంట్ ఆఫ్ తమిళ్. సో దట్స్ వై నేను తెలుగులోనే స్లోగా మాట్లాడుతాను. ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ మిస్అండర్స్టాండ్. ஐ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தமிழ், பட் தெருக்கு பேசுறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கும். ப்ளீஸ். ఓకే సార్, எனக்கு 3 ఫిల్మ్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ మన కెమెరామెన్ 3 ఫిల్మ్స్ విల్సన్ సార్ పంటారు, భద్ర, తులసి, హాఫ్ ఫిల్మ్ సింహ ఎక్సెట్రా ఎక్సెట్రా, అండ్ బాలమురుగన్ సార్. బట్ వారు తెలుగు నేర్చుకొని నాతో మాట్లాడారు. సో దట్స్ వై నాకు కొంచెం తమిళ్ కష్టమైంది, ఏమీ అనుకోవద్దు సార్. మెయిన్ ఈరోజు తమిళ్ పీపుల్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చి మేము ఈరోజు ఇక్కడికి నిలబడటానికి మెయిన్ కాజ్ అఖండ 1 చేశాము. ఇట్స్ ఏ నాట్ ఏ రీజనల్ ఫిల్మ్, ఇట్స్ ఏ ఇండియన్ ఫిల్మ్. అలాగే సేమ్ అఖండ 2 తాండవం, ఇట్స్ ఏ సోల్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా, ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ ఫిల్మ్. ఇది భారతదేశ ఆత్మ. సో ఇది మీరు ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తే, ఎందుకంటే మీరు మా బ్రదర్స్ లాంటి వారు. తెలుగువారు తమిళ వారు వేరు వేరు కారు, ఎల్లారు ఒకే ఇదిదా. ఓకే, ఈరోజు మనం ఇండియా వైడ్ భారతదేశం మొత్తం మీద ఒక సౌత్ ఇండియన్ ఫిల్మ్స్కి ఒక మంచి పేరు తీసుకొచ్చిన వారు మనం. సో అందుకని ఇక్కడ మన టెక్నీషియన్స్, మన ఆర్టిస్ట్స్ అందరము కలిసిపోయే ఉంటాం. తెలుగు, తమిళ్, కన్నడ ఎక్సెట్రా అందరూ కలిసిపోయే ఉంటాము. సో అందరూ ఒకే వింగ్. కాబట్టి ఈరోజు అఖండ తాండవం మీ ముందుకు వస్తుంది. డెఫినెట్లీ అందరూ చాలా హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అవుతారు. ఇట్స్ ఏ పాన్ ఇండియా ఫిల్మ్, ఇలా కాదు, ఇట్స్ ఏ భారతదేశ ఆత్మ, ఇండియన్ సోల్. మీరు చూసి ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తారని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అలాగే అమ్మ విజయ్ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అమ్మ. అలాగే సార్ విజయన్ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. ఈ సినిమా డెఫినెట్లీ మీరు రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత మీరే చెప్తారు సార్, ఇది అసలు ఒక మంచి కొత్త ప్రపంచంలోకి తీసుకెళ్తుంది, బట్ కమర్షియల్గా తీసుకెళ్తుంది. మీ ముందుకి గాడ్ శివన్ని వచ్చి మీకు ఒక మంచి మెసేజ్ ఇచ్చినట్టు ఉంటుంది. ఈ మెసేజ్ దేశం, ధర్మం, దైవం, వేదం, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ప్లాట్ఫామ్.